Welcome to Daily Swing. Today we're addressing the single biggest mistake that destroys portfolios, FOMO investing. We'll show you real examples of seemingly unstoppable stocks that crashed 90% and explain why diversification isn't optional. Here's what I keep hearing. I wish I'd invested in Nvidia 5 years ago. If only I'd gone all in on that stock. Sound familiar? You're living in FOMO and it's dangerous. Rule number 1 in investing: never put all your money in one basket. Never, because you don't actually know what the future holds. Even stocks that look unstoppable can fall. Let's look at SolarEdge. Clean energy revolution, solar boom, government incentives. Every narrative pointed to the moon. The stock soared from $50 to nearly $390. Then it crashed 90% to $20. That's what going all in costs you. GameStop, early 2021. Reddit was on fire. The stock exploded from $20 to $483. Everyone said it was going to 1,000. Diamond hands, they said. Then reality hit. And Zoom, March 2020. Pandemic hits. Everyone's working from home. The stock rocketed from $150 to $588. Remote work is here to stay, they said. It's the future. Then the world reopened and Zoom crashed 90% to $60. These weren't random penny stocks. These were companies with real businesses and compelling stories. But stories don't protect you from 90% drawdowns when you're concentrated in one position. Stop saying, "I wish I'd invested in Nvidia." Start saying, "I wish my portfolio had diversification across multiple sectors so I could capture some winners while protecting against the losers." That's how you actually build wealth. Focus on ETFs, broad market exposure, multiple sectors, built-in diversification. You might earn less than hitting the jackpot on one stock, but you'll never be the person who went all in on GameStop at $400 or Zoom at $500. To recap, stocks are volatile and unpredictable. Never put everything in one basket. Focus on ETFs for diversification. Stop chasing yesterday's winners and start building a portfolio that can survive tomorrow's losers. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more data-driven trading strategies.